Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of electrical systems and discussing the importance of busbar clamps. Did you know that these little guys are vital for connecting busbars? That's right! Choosing the right clamp can enhance system safety and stability. At Dow Electric, we recommend busbar clamps based on your system's phase configuration. Whether it's 3-phase or 4-phase. For 4-phase systems, neutral line connections add a bit of complexity. The size of the bus bars also impacts clamp selection.